Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Waze navigation function in the TuneIn Radio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see the Waze navigation button. So just click on that to enable the Waze integration. So just click on that and just click on done. And then this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.